no problem. I think you are able to hear me now. Can you hear me now? Okay, I think you should not hear me. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay, let me start with the, please confirm, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, everyone? Please confirm. Hello? Okay. At least we have sound, don't worry. Let me start from the beginning. So let me ignore this one previous. So I thought that everyone can hear me. Let me start once again. So today I'm going to cover the, we can say, date and time function from beginning. So let me start with the beginning today. So okay. So thank you so much. Let me start with the beginning. So today we are going to cover the all date and time function powerbi, that how to use and how should you utilize these in the, you can say, in your report. To this, what you need to do, we need to learn what is the date time function, and we have you can say Microsoft link. So even you can digit the link and find the all function. So thank you. So you should inform previously, otherwise you won't get any problem. So sorry for this. Okay. So now let me start to show you. So start from the beginning. So talk about the function prospect. So we have the let me paste here so that I have clear view on it. Okay. So first we have the calendar. Okay, calendar function. So suppose I want that we need to every data should not have the, we can say, all dates. I know sometime happen, but not always. So few dates we do not have data in the system. But customer said that I want to display my all data. Here's a series, the model finance model. We do not have all data. Means date in data don't have all date. You can say that. So Monday, Sunday, Friday, November, December, January. So this kind of, we have a gap in the data. But I wanted to create in sequence, and using this date only I wanted to build the calendar. So how should I do that? So to this, go create the new table. Click on the new table and then use the calendar function. Okay, so I have already created that so that we should not take a longer time. So just to give the name here, and now I'll show you how should I we can say how should I create the, just give the name. Once name is given, see the I name already given custom calendar. So to this must, you can say so use the calendar function. That's the first one. Then min date. Min date means the date which we have, okay, in the financial model. So I use the min date, max minimum date I need it. Even you can pass your own date as well, like here I pass the you can say today date. But if you wanted to pass the model date only, so you can pass the max and financial date column, so that it should have the range data, means in between the data model, whatever last date has, it will display true. So that is the benefit. Okay, so you can control your data in your requirement based. Let's move to the check how many years data it had, date is had. So 2013, 2014. Now I want to change this to you can say duration should be as per my requirement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this and paste my function date, year, today plus 2 year. I want to see that plus 2, and it should be last of the year 2. So let's close it and let's see what happens. means 2013 to you can say till date I want to the data, or maybe plus 2 year too. So say this, we have the 2013 to 2015 we have plus 2 year already are in that. Okay, okay, perfect. So this way we can get 2015 till we did it. Next, sometime, okay, this one hope you understood. Let's move to the next part. So suppose sometime we need to create the financial data of the behalf of the company, and company says my data is start from the 1st of April, 1st of the May, 1st of the June. So how should you manage these things? So we have an eDate function in Power BI that allows you to customize your date there as per need, calendar as per need. So start date means financial date, whatever date you have, don't worry. So I create a custom calendar date, start date, and then minus 5 days, 10 days, how many months you wanted to minus and plus it, you can do it. So let's do that. Okay. So see this, it will create started from the 1st of the April, 1st of April created that. Even you can change, like suppose I want you to move to the 1st of the 5, then how many month you can subtract it, like it is April 3, so plus 7, minus 7, sorry, minus 7, so January, February, March, so it will, yeah, minus 7, then it will display the it will display depend on your how many days you wanted to date, sorry, not a date, month. So see this, my data start from the 1st of the month. If some customer said my data start from the November, January, maybe March, April, whatever month they are saying, using that date you can customize your calendar. Don't have to wait. Using eDate, eDate provide a facility to you can say how many month you can want it to reduce it or maybe plus it, you can do it as well. So see this, eDate returns the dates indicate number of months start date. So how many month numbers subtract, you can do that. Okay, so hope you understood about it. Now I want to keep the today date in my data. So obviously you use date function, then use the year today function. You know the today give the today result, today date only. So today function, then the month today and days today. So date is allowed to convert today date, today month and today year. So see this, 24 March 2023. See this, it will appear here automatically. So you will get this PBX in the same below video description links. You can download it as well. Don't worry. It has a DAX example day 3. Now, sometimes we receive the requirement, okay, that we need to use the data function. So how to do that? So type data function, okay, and it has allowed to use date 1 and date 2, and then interval. What is the interval I'm looking for? So my start date should be custom calendar date, in date should be today date. So today date I will create that. If you don't have, you can pass the today function as well, don't worry. Next, I want to be calculate in number of days or maybe year. You can pass the year as well, don't worry. So I pass the year, okay. Situation says that you use year underscore days. So I want you to use underscore in double quote, then and paste your this function as well. Paste same function, only one thing you have to change the days. Day, that's it. And that will change your data completely. So you can see days, month, how many days here it has, it will display. If it doesn't work, then what you need to do, it will give the difference, how many you can say date has a difference that it provide to you. So how many days it has and date, time, month. So depending on the data, you can try to use it, okay. let's now FY date is created as the tax. Say this. I create the tax, and I want tax should be displayed as a number. So how should you do that? DAX, we have a value function which is allow you to convert text into number. So use value and FY date function. It's not just use here. You can use many places where wanted to change text convert to the value. Or if you doubt that my value has a few places text, you can use this function. It will directly convert into the number. So that is going to help you. Simple formula, so no need to worry about that. Next, now I want whatever month in my you can say day, whatever date we have. So that date I want to last day of the month. Us particular month, maybe previous 2 year month, 6 month, 5 months, 6 month, whatever duration you're looking for the last month. Then you can use this function. Simple year month. Pass the dim dimension table and number of month wanted to subtract it, then do that. Next, ignore holiday. You know that we have the network days. So network days function allow me to count the we can say give the result that how many days should be blank and keep. So like suppose we have a Saturday, Sunday, so I wanted to exclude that. How should I do that? So let me convert it into number. So it will give the 0 or 1. Let me check. Okay, it will calculate the days, number of days should be. Yeah, I see this subtracted. We have the must come the network days will count the number of days by excluding Saturday, Sunday. See this, it has a minus and plus both. Why? Because few date have earlier, few date have here means today date and this date, that the reason. So today date it is going to use the minus one, that the reason. So minus plus both are there, don't worry. Next part is that next function is we have the now function. So today and now difference is now is allow you to you can say you consider the now is allow you to do that by today date plus time as well. So time and date. If you're looking for the time and date, you can use the now function. And usually for refresh, either maybe use now, maybe use UTC now. So there are two functions and customize it as well. But powerbi services worked on the UTC time zone. Year month I cover hour minutes second network days now. Quarter. Okay. Obviously if you have a quarter then pass the date, it will give the days. Let's use the quarter. So the date and time is appear automatically 8:14, 8:14. Now come to the quarter Q2I. So using this you can build a calendar. Quarter, pass the date, custom date calendar. Today you can pass it, whatever days you have you can pass it only according to your need. Okay, now see this. Quarter 1 has been passed. One is since we have one date, so it will give to quarter 1. Now if you pass the instead of today days, I wanted to pass the date column. So that it has a different we can say different quarter. Okay, see this in a year we have the 4 quarters, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is available now. Next function year and year fraction. Few situation, okay, we need to use the year function actual date and divided by 360 date. So for that we need to create this we can say year function, but I haven't used till date. Yeah, but I know what is that. Okay, calculate fraction is represent number of whole days between the two dates. Okay, the two dates which we have will give the result. So let's pass it. I haven't applied it because I didn't get any scenario. Let's pass the year fraction. Year fraction. Okay. Now start date. We have the custom calendar date, in date, today date, and basis of obviously start from the one. So let's do okay. We will divide it. And see this, it is divided by the year fraction by 117. Almost point has a different, otherwise it will same value it has. Okay, hope if you find this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel.